Good morning, everyone. Miss Reeves here again on Monday morning. I know one of your assignments this week is to look at your Scholastic News, choose one of the articles, and try to find the main idea and supporting details. So I wanted to show you that anchor chart that we'd made together and kind of help you remember. Remember when we've talked about main idea and details in class, we've kind of imagined an ice cream cone. So the main idea is at the bottom. It's what's holding all those details. The cone is the main idea, and the scoops of ice cream on top are the supporting details that tell you more about the main idea. The main idea is not going to be one word like ants. The main idea is going to tell you what the author wanted you to really learn about the subject you're reading about. So remember, we talked about a main idea could be ants are insects. And then the supporting details could be the reasons that ants are insects that we read about. So one supporting detail that ants are insects is they have 6 legs. They also have 3 body parts and they have a hard shell. All those details give us support for the main idea that ants are insects. I also wanted to remind you about how we had read that story, How to Hide an Octopus and Other Sea Creatures. We talked a lot about main idea in detail with that story. We said the main idea is not just the title, How to Hide an Octopus, or not just one word, octopus. The main idea is what the author wanted us to learn, and in this story, the author wanted us to learn that sea animals can hide themselves or camouflage in different ways. Some of the details in the story were when we talked about how the decorator crab hides by putting clothes on, or we talked about how the octopus can camouflage itself by changing colors, or we talked about how animals like the shrimp fish can blend into their surroundings. So the main idea is the big thing the author wants you to learn, that sea creatures camouflage or hide themselves in different ways. The details are the examples from the text of how sea creatures do that. Hope that helps you with your assignment on main idea and details.